Pass your mind back to about last Monday. I did this Radiomobile 201 from an end user. Mr. Chippie's been away for a few days now. He's back. It's time to do the on-the-air test. Now, this was riddled with dry joints. I've done the service work. It's a spot-on radio. Apart from having a loose front because of broken thingies. You see Mr. Chippie's there. Mark's with him today. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that. I'll plug the extension speaker in.
Roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm now ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger. Cybernet 135 chassis. I'm not a lover of concentric controls, but there you go.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station 154.9 and 187.9.
Is that better or worse?
I think it was the same as yesterday, wasn't it?
There you go. Right, that's received.
Roger. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Ancaster Crossroads. Now, you know, I played the organ for a wedding at Wilsford Church today, and it was they're having everything at Hambeck Farm. So when you go past Hambeck Farm after Scratchy Corner, probably all the wedding people are still there.
Yeah, there's a good chance. I wonder if they're using the pool today.
You're going to see on the way back, because you won't be seen on the video this way around.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill. Let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you to the top of the hill.
Roger. From Mr. Chippie, we're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got your loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on the Radiomobile CB201, which is a small one from 1981, using Cybernet 135 chassis. I'm on a standard replacement mic and really doing a full 4 watt output there.
Yep, roger that, all received. No problems. crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing with those cars out around Hambeck Farm.
There was someone in the driveway that I could see, but I couldn't see any people milling about.
Roger.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
But got you the Greys, and I know you're going on something after this, but I've just thought Phil and Thorburg you can spot them,
Yeah, okay, I'll do that if there's some. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Well, you've got you the 5 mile point. Someone is Radiomobile CB201 from 1981. Cybernet 135 chassis. Full force output. Anything one. Drawing 1.1 amps to that full force output. We're going to go over to low power. It's been set for 400 milliwatts. So here we go. 54321. Then we are on low power. Ready to go over 400 milliwatts. And we're drawing 460 milliamps of power. Go back to full power. And there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, Roger, no problems on full power. It did start off really noisy again, but then cleared up a bit. Low power had to override the squelch, but although you were very noisy, you were readable.
Oh, it's incredible, because it was really noisy yesterday. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Yeah, Roger that. Well, it started off like that, and then all of a sudden it just cleared up a bit.
Roger, I don't know if there's something electrical in that field or what, but anyway. We do it the same way every time, and in summer it's going to be a bit iffy, and in winter it's a bit of a breeze.
Yep, Roger that. Right, off we go. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Doctor.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rosby level crossing. Over. Yeah, it's 154.9 and 189.7 as it has been for a while.
Okay, that worked very well, thank you.
Yeah, roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
Roger, got you going over Rosby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price at that end today, please? Over.
Yeah, it's 154.9 and 189.7 as it has been for a while.
Okay, well, that worked very well, thank you.
Roger that.
10-10. Right, that did work well. So that's with our standard replacement mic. We're going to use the customer's mic. I did a bit of remedial work on this because the wiring was coming out here. So I've put the missing screw in. It's the one that doesn't match. And hopefully you'll get a few months more use out of it. So that's a capo standard replacement mic. Yeah, it says dynamic, which it needs to be. So we'll go with our standard replacement first, which is the one we've been using throughout, and then we'll try it with the customer's capo one.
Tango 21, setting the Radiomobile CB201 with the standard replacement mic on full power, or on low power. Then we're on low power, it's a hum test. If there was a hum, it would diminish on low power, back to full power. Right, we'll swap microphones and we'll try the customer's own capo one.